The Canary Island date palm, a palm tree so majestic it takes your breath away. How can it survive our cold winters?
Planting, soil, watering. What's the right way? How to care for your palm tree all year round?
How to spot ripe seeds and grow your own?
What is the real purpose of those sharp spines? What to watch out for when buying a Canary Island date palm from warmer climates?
Find the answers in our two-part mini-series, The Canary Island Date Palm from A to Z, right here on www.herohero.co. Follow our Next Level channel, over 140 clips across 23 topics. Grow smart, grow with us. Long live exotic plants.